students. Now we are going to start with the parts of the flower. We know that there are 4 main parts of the flower. We have sepals, petals, stamen, pistil. In other terms, we can say that is calyx, corolla, then androecium and gynoecium. Okay. Now, when we discuss about sepals, if the sepals they are fused, okay, they are fused, then we say the sepals as gamosepalous. Okay. And if the sepals of the flower they are free, they are not fused with each other, then we say it is polysepalous. Okay. Similarly, if the petals are fused with one another, okay, they are attached with one another, then we say these are gamopetalous. And if the petals are free, okay, they are not fused with one another, then we say it is the polypetalous. Now the arrangement of the sepals and petals, that is called the estivation. Okay. Now we'll discuss the type of estivation. See here, if the sepals and petals they are arranged in such a manner that they do not touch or overlap with one another, then such a type of estivation is called velvet estivation. Okay, and it is found in calotropis. Okay. Now next we have is the twisted one. If you have seen China rose, okay, lady's finger or cotton flower, then you might have seen that the overlapping of the margin take place in a particular pattern. Okay, a particular pattern is there, so it is called the twisted, okay, estivation. Now next we have is the imbricate. Here the overlapping of the margin is there, but there is no particular pattern is not adopted. So such an estivation which is found in the cassia and gulmohar is called the imbricate estivation. Now next we have is the vexillary. Now here it shows the bilateral symmetry. Okay, here you can see there is one particular larger petal or sepal, then followed by the 2 sepals or petals, and then 2 more which are fused. Okay, so here it is the large one and standard petal. Okay, next we have the 2, okay, 2 overlaps are there. Okay, this one, so these are called the wings. Okay, and these are also these overlap the other 2 petals, and these are called the keels. Okay, this type of estivation is called the vexillary estivation or papilionaceous